Yes, students. So here we discussed about the variation of atomic size in a period. As you move from left to right in a period, what you find? Atomic size decreases. Why atomic size decreases? Because nuclear charge increases. And when nuclear charge increases, force of attraction between nucleus and electron in the outermost shell increases. So size decreases. Okay. So directly the question is also asked, discuss the variation of atomic size in period. So what you will discuss, as we move from left to right in a period, atomic size decreases. What reason you will give? Because nuclear charge increases. And when nuclear charge increases, force of attraction between nucleus and electron in the outermost shell increases, and when force of attraction increases, size decreases. Okay. Now, based on this, next what type of question can be asked is, a table will be framed this way. In place of these elements, what will be written? A, B, C. Suppose in place of sodium, what will be written? This way periodic table will be there, third period it will be mentioned, and in place of sodium A, in place of phosphorus B, and in place of chlorine C will be written. Okay. In place of sodium A, then magnesium, aluminium, silicon. In place of phosphorus B, then sulfur, and in place of chlorine C written. And question can be asked, out of these elements A, B and C, which has the biggest size? So you will first find out, this comes in a period or group. So it is in a horizontal row, means in a period. And again you will think about the variation of atomic size in period. As you move from left to right in a period, what happens? Atomic size decreases. So which element has biggest size? Because as you move from left to right, atomic size decreases. So which has the biggest size? A. Element A has biggest size. You will not write sodium, because in the question what will be mentioned? A or X, Y, Z. So that way you will give the answer. So which element has biggest size out of A, B and C? It is on the left hand side A. So A has the biggest size. Now why? Reason. So why? Because as you move from left to right, what happens? Nuclear charge increases. And when nuclear charge increases, force of attraction between nucleus and electron in the outermost shell increases, and then size decreases. And A has biggest size. Why? Because nuclear charge is less. What is the reason? Nuclear charge is less. So force of attraction between nucleus and in the electron in the outermost shell is less. So size is the biggest. Next, what the question can be asked? Out of A, B and C, which has the smallest size? So which has the smallest size? Which is on the extreme right. Because as you move from left to right, atomic size decreases. So which is on the extreme right side? C. So you will write, your answer will be element C has the smallest size. You will not write element chlorine has smallest size. You will write element C has smallest size. Now why? Again the reason, because nuclear charge is more. Out of A, B and C, whose nuclear charge is more? C has. The nuclear charge of C is more. So force of attraction between nucleus and electron in the outermost shell increases. So size decreases. So element C has smallest size. Now next, what the question can be asked? Arrange these three elements A, B and C in decreasing order of their atomic size. Decreasing order of their atomic size. Decreasing order means bade se chota, bigger size to smaller size. So out of A, B and C, which has the biggest size? Which is on the extreme left? A. So A It has the biggest size. So sign the mouth of the crocodile where it should be open towards the element which has biggest size. This way you will show the sign. Next, A has the biggest size, then B, and then C. C has the smallest size. So this is the decreasing order of atomic size of these elements. Okay. So such type of questions can be asked based on atomic radius in a period, variation of atomic radius in a period. Clear? So what is the variation of atomic size or atomic radius in a period? As you move from left to right in a period, atomic size decreases. Why atomic size decreases? Because nuclear charge increases. And when nuclear charge increases, force of attraction between the nucleus and electron in the outermost shell increases, so size decreases. So in a particular period, the element which is on the left hand side, on the extreme left, will have the biggest size, and the element on the extreme right will have the smallest size. Why extreme left element will have biggest size? Because nuclear charge is less. And why the element on the extreme right has smallest size? Because nuclear charge is more. But in a particular period, when you come to noble gases, it has the biggest size. And why noble gas has biggest size? Because for noble gases, which radius is taken? Van der Waals radius. And for all other elements, which radius is taken? Covalent radius. And which is bigger? Van der Waals radius is bigger than covalent radius. So in a particular period, noble gases have biggest size. Clear? Now students, in the next period, I will discuss with you about the variation of atomic size in group when we move from top to bottom in a group. Okay?